So we're gonna see how good a quality a under $30 drum throne delivered for free the next day from Amazon can be, and I'm comparing it here to this old pearl throne that I've had forever. So anyway, let's take a look at this thing. Oh, this, by the way, I thought this was kind of cute. It comes with a set of free sticks. It looks like they're kind of plain old standard 5B kind of sticks, although it doesn't say. But I figured, hey, why not, right? Comes with sticks. That can't be bad. So, okay, here's the base. Not as heavy as the pearl, but pretty decent. That obviously will be what puts the seat on. So there you go. Okay, well, let's put this puppy together, shall we? And the final test, of course. Okay. This old pearl seat, one of the reasons why I don't use this seat very much is it's really hard. Well, actually that's about the same. Maybe not quite as hard as the pearl. Yeah, hey, for, like I said, for under $30 with a set of drumsticks delivered to my door the next day with Amazon Prime, I'm pretty cool with that. So, there you go. We got kind of the old standard pearl here that people have been sitting on for decades, and this inexpensive donor.
Come on now, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Watch this. With one hand, I can bend it. Let me see. Oh man, if you were heavier than me, you're never sitting on this thing.